customers are having these questions of why has my Iqiyi expired, VIP subscription expired? Why has my Iqiyi VIP subscription expired? So here are the reasons. Number one, your VIP has expired as normal. Just check the type of VIP package you purchased. If you purchase a non-subscription type, your VIP will not be automatically renewed at the expiring date. Secondly, your VIP might have expired because you have applied for a refund after purchasing the VIP. So please check the details of your transaction. If you requested a refund for the previous transaction, your VIP status will be changed to expired. Then 3, log into your account using the right VIP account. Sometimes you guys make that mistake. And 4, a delay in VIP status update also due to network latency can cause it. So you have to wait for a few moments and log in again to check. Now, if none of these things are the reasons why your VIP expired, simply log into your account and submit a feedback report within the Iqiyi app. They are more than happy to assist you. Now, you want to know how to submit a feedback or a report. What you do is that if you're using a mobile app, tap on me and then tap on feedback. Then you can submit your problem or your report there. If you're using a web browser, at the bottom of the page of the browser, you see the option for support and help. Click on it and then select feedback. And if you're using the TV app, go to settings, tap on feedback, or tap on me and you see customer support. Hope you find this video helpful.